It's a pleasure to be here, and you might have known that we started with Maddie from November, and we first experienced this product through Jerex, and I must thank him for it. So the first time I experienced this product, I went back home and I immediately had a call with my team, and I explained that this is something that every motorcycle, every car enthusiast in the country has to like experience. This is different, and I convinced Salmon sir and my team to like work in this project. And special thanks to Maddie. Without him, this wouldn't be possible. Like I remember in a call, I told Maddie that you literally gave the keys to an Italian supercar to us. We were free. We were allowed to like experiment different formats, figure out what works for the market, and we are like little bit successful with it too. There is a long way to grow. Like we are just getting started. Maybe we'll discuss something and bring this brand to one of the best lubricant brands in the country.
So one more thing, these people are actually taking the whole distributorship or the entire Tamil Nadu market. They are taking care of that.
Mention about your team.
Yeah, you can call them and introduce.
So my team starts with
Powerhouse.
Powerhouse.
I'm John Solomon. It's a wonderful name, having a meaning.
But I have given you a wonderful name, Powerhouse.
No, it's better than that. I'm having a meaning for my name.
Yeah.
John means peace, P-E-A-C-E, and Solomon means passable, P-A-S-S-A-B-L-E. There are two words. P-I-E-C-E also is there. P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E is also there. That is, I'm peace possible. Let the peace be with everyone.
Amen.
So he's the one just cornerstone of the team, and we have Dinesh as well, and Sai, our very good cinematographer. So he's the reason our videos look so good. We have Gautam and Dinesh as well. So we are a team of 7. So we started out as engineers. After college, we thought we'll do something different instead of going into a normal kind of a career where you go into office, come back, you work for a brand. But this journalism thing was something in our mind when we started college. So as mechanical engineer graduates, we started out, and after all struggles, we are the notable name in Tamil Nadu from our region. So we are the most, not something like I'm not hyping myself.
Being so frank, it's not because of the entire team. It is the initial foundation work which was done by Daniel from the base. He had been working on this, and he started working with the calibration of engines and IC engines and all. And he was into the track, hold the track, and he is someone who is with the launches of all automotives. And of course, he is the backbone of the entire YouTube, Rev Nitro YouTube channel. And that is because of it, we are having a wonderful network of customers. And of course, we promote everything in our regional language, which makes the retailers get convinced very soon with the things not technical, the normal words which you are using. So with that, we are reaching the customers. So we are getting the things converted to sale.
So actually, Salomon sir is so kind, but to be frank, it's the team. Like when you have a good team, as Maddie mentions, when you have a great team with you, anything is possible. So, and that's it. Thank you so much.